Yeah, I'm sorry. I'll have to move their desks. Yeah, everything's good. From the other side. Did you give a really good question? Hope you guys trying these. It's okay, just try them out. See what you're looking at. Right. Look. Are you arching? Yeah. Well, for some reason, we just finally. All right, because the solutions to an inequality fall in between two endpoints, they are frequently written in a more condensed form. So technically, you're not wrong to say, okay, let's look at this situation. X is any number greater than or equal to -6, and it has to be less than or equal to -1. When that's combined that way, you could just say in a more concise, condensed way, X is every value between -6 and 1. So we'll do a closed dot at -6 and X are the numbers greater, and then a closed dot at 1 and X are the numbers less than. And they have a tendency to graph together. Their arrows will point and meet in the middle. It's actually like called an intersection. So it's everything in between -6 and 1. Sometimes your inequality will have some mathematical operations in the middle, and you have to isolate X. You have to get the variable alone. So I'm seeing a symbol here, and I'm seeing a symbol here. So we have two symbols. So when I want to get X alone, there's a plus X in there. I need to subtract 4. There's a plus 4 in there, subtract 4. You subtract 4 on this side, you subtract 4 from the 9, And then what's pretty unique about this type of problem is we're also going to subtract 4 over on this side of the line. So you do it in all 3 places. So 2 minus 4 is -2. I keep the symbol. Now x is left alone in the middle. 4 minus 4 cancels. I keep the symbol, and I have a 5. So I'm going to go -2, close dot, 5, close dot, and it's every value in between could go inside that inequality, and it would be true. I know you guys saw interval notation on the front yesterday. I didn't really cover it. This is what this would look like. -2 to 5. It's just another way of showing the number line. This means it's every value between -2 and 5. Wait, so would the 5 be an open or closed dot? Oh, open. It would be open. Thanks, Drew. So that's got to be, so sometimes some are closed and some are open. And actually with open dots, we do parentheses, and with closed dots, we do brackets. So this is correct interval notation to say bracket, -2, comma, 5, parenthesis. All right, you guys go ahead and try the next one. Are you working, Brady? Well, yeah, we actually haven't taken this either, so I'm gonna have you take this right now. Just stay up a minute. Okay, so here I would add 13. I add 13 to the 8, and I add 13 to the -27. -14. There's a 7x in the middle. 31. 8 plus 10 is 18, plus 3 is 21. Alright, and now we have 7 times x in the middle. The opposite of times is divide, and now we're going to divide all 3 parts by 7. -2 is less than x is less than 3. Yes. You mean should I do it here or here? You do it in both. Does not matter. Oh, you don't want to leave a 0 here. So we're focusing on the middle. and we want to get rid of the middle numbers. So we're canceling the middle. All your eyes are on the middle. Jimmy. Yeah, just fill out a pass and put it on my desk. Yep. Fill out the top, rip it, put it on my desk. Alright, so now we have an open circle at -2, an open circle at 3, and it's everything in the middle. And my interval notation would be this is between -2 and 3. Maybe I'll talk interval notation. Just rip the top off. Did you fill it out? Yeah. Just rip it off. And you keep the other two. Alright, how'd you guys do on 7? Anybody get it? Okay, did you do it, Angel? I'll stay. Do it. Did he hand that to you? She's a helper, William. You're the class helper. Alright, do 8. Brian, did you do 8 yet? Okay, it's just like 7, so I'm gonna stop. I'm gonna walk around, and when I see 4 people have it done, maybe I'll go somewhere. Victor's getting done, Brian's getting done. Yeah, I got that right first time.
Yeah.
Where'd you put the one that's filled out?
Oh, yeah.
There we go. Fair train. Okay. Number 8. Here we go. Line here, line here. Let's add 4. Add 4. Add 4. So you did, Kevin? Keep the symbol. 3x. Keep the symbol. 6. Alright, that's 3 times x. Diego, did you add 4 to all 3 parts? What'd you do next? Nice. Divide 3, divide 3, divide 3. -4 is less than or equal to x is less than or equal to 2. Zoop. Zoop. Boop. No, these ones are closed. Good looking out though. So open when there's not the line. Close when there is the line. Yeah. And then the other thing about that is open circles get a parenthesis and closed dots get a bracket. On 8. The 3. Use that plus or minus first. So add 4 all 3 parts first, and then do the 3. All right, getting more complicated. Now we have a fraction. I'm still going to know that I have a symbol here and a symbol here. Two symbols. You would never have two equal signs, but you'd have two inequality symbols. So we got to do -1. We're trying to clear everything away from the middle. -1, -1. Sure. And just put the pass on my desk. So that's -2 is less than 2/3 x is less than or equal to 4. Now, on the Fahrenheit to Celsius or the Celsius to Fahrenheit formula, there was a fraction 9/5. You got to flip it. We're going to flip this fraction and multiply by the reciprocal. Or some of you guys in your calculator divide. So you could do -2 divided by 2/3, 4 divided by 2/3, or my old school way, the way we always used to do it, is we multiply by the reciprocal 3/2. And we're going to multiply by 3/2 in all three parts. And so I know some of y'all are using that online calculator, do it. Some of y'all, you got the handheld calculator, use it. I'm actually, you can divide by 2/3 or you can multiply by the reciprocal 3/2. So either divide or multiply. Excuse me. All right, so now I'm at -6/2 is less than x is less than or equal to 12/2. So -3 is less than x is less than 6. Open circle, everything in between. How'd that one go? Okay. Ooh, 10 has so many options. You could distribute first, or you could divide by 2 first. Both are really good. Who wants to just distribute the 2 first? And then who wants to divide everything by 2? Distribute it is. Let's distribute. First we're going to distribute. So we're going to do -2 is less than 2 times x is 2x. 2 times 6 is 12 is less than or equal to 4. And then I'm going to pause and let you guys work on it. If you don't have a Chromebook yet, grab one and we're going to do a quick Kahoot about these graphs. All right, JD. Get those details right, Baldwin. You guys fix your JD says, look, and Trinity, this is I think what you were pointing out as well a minute ago. Pay attention to your open circle closed dot. I wasn't paying attention as much as I should have been. Open circle closed dot. Are we trying to send you? I'm gonna walk around. I want you to keep it so you can study it. But while you guys are getting going on the Kahoot, I'm gonna come around and give you credit for both the front and the back. To do the work. Did you finish 10? Okay. I'm gonna wait. Hopefully I can get the Kahoot up. Okay. If you don't have a Chromebook, get logged into a Chromebook so we can do a quick Kahoot. We'll see how many people know these graphs. I'm disappointed we didn't have to flip any symbols on this side. You know why I keep forgetting that is because I've been doing absolute value inequalities, and those always have the same symbol. All right, we are between 5 and 8. How'd you do? Did anybody get between 5 and 8? Jimmy, did you get between 5 and 8? No, I'm coming back. Coming back there. Hey, did you get between 5 and 8? Get my computer back, bro. Solid. Water. Get my computer back.